The voiceover was done with VoiceMaker text-to-speech software. Link is in the description. So in the last video we created this movement script in Unity. And in today's video we are going to create jumping in Unity. So let's open up our movement script. So let's start by creating a jump force float variable. Now let's check if the player is pressing space or not. For that, type in if input.getKeyUp space. And inside it type rb.addForce, on the X type 0, for the Y type jump force, and for the Z type 0. Now save this and head back into Unity. Now let's test it. It's working, but the jump force is too high. So let's reduce it. Now let's check it. It's perfect, but the cube is rotating after the jump. So let's disable the cube's rotation. Now let's see. It's working, but right now we can jump as much as we want. So in order to fix it, open up our movement script. Now create a boolean called as jumping. Now inside input.getKeyUp space method, type in if is jumping double equals false.
Audio jumping.
And drag the rb.addForce inside the new method. Now after the addForce type is jumping equals true. And now create a onCollision enter method. And inside it type in if collision.transform.tag double equals ground. Inside it type is jumping equals false. Firstly, select our plane and create a ground tag and assign it. Let's try that. It's working. Thanks for watching, and a special thanks to voicemaker.in for some awesome text-to-speech. Link is in the description. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until the next video, bye bye.